everyone and welcome to this video. This is my demonstration video of my final project for CS50 web programming. This project is a Django based web application. This project is a basic hospital management system. The process mainly works if a patient applies for an appointment for a doctor and then the appointment comes up in the patient's dashboard, and later it informs the doctor that a patient has applied for an appointment for the particular doctor. This project uses the SQLite database. When you click on create an account and give the details and log in with it, let's put sample details here. Let's put sample user, and then let's give the sample user an email. Any email works with any kind of domain because this doesn't use the proper authentication. And then let's give a password, some kind of random password. And then you have to mention the gender, and then you have to take the phone number. I'm going to give a sample number, let's say some kind of number, and then let's put a sample address right here, and then you have to give the birth date, and any birth date is fine. Let's just put 2021 June 1st, and then you have to mention the blood group. The blood groups are given here, you can select anything, and then after creating that you have to create your account, and then it will show you an alert called patient saved successfully. Okay, we have to click on OK, and then it takes us to the login page, and you have to enter your details, whatever you created in the whatever you created account with. I created account with sampleiuser@email.com, and I have to give the password of it, and then I log in with it. It says logged in successfully. Click on OK, and then later it will show you are successfully logged in sample user. And then if I go to make appointments, this is the page where you actually make appointments with. Then you have to give the doctor, whatever doctor you want to make the appointment. There are 5 doctors right now: pediatrician, general surgeon, dentist, ENT specialist, and a dermatologist. I'm just going to go with pediatrician, and the name sampleiuser@email.com, and then you have to mention the appointment date too. The appointment date, let's say 4th June 2021, and appointment date, let's just give any random date, time, let's say appointment time, it's 12 o'clock, and then symptoms I can mention anything. For example, I'll put fever and cough. And then if we click on make appointment, it'll say appointment booked successfully, and then we click on OK. After we click on OK, we have to go over to view appointments, and then upcoming appointment will show you sample user appointment with the doctor name on June 4th 2021. That is the date I applied for the appointment. It will show you all the details: doctor name, patient name, appointment date, appointment time, symptoms, and delete appointment. You can also delete your appointment. But if I do the same thing but just in a previous date, I go to make appointments, and then do the same thing but with a previous date. Let's say check 2nd June, which already the date is over. Today is June 3rd, and then let's just give a sample appointment date and just give this symptom, and then make appointment. It'll again say appointment booked successfully, and then view appointment. In the previous appointment it'll show you, because I've used the previous appointment date. So that is the hospital management system, where you can apply for appointment and with the doctor, and then give all the details, and it'll appear in the doctor's dashboard too. So this is the project for my CS50 final project, and you can also log out, and when you go to your page, to your profile, it'll show you all of the details that you signed up when you were creating your account. And that is about it. This is my final project for the CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript, and thank you.